Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick unboxing from Fragrant Jewels. I have two mystery candles, one that has an orange sticker, I've never seen that, and this one's one of the newer sets. So, let's go ahead and open this one first. We've got an extra code on top. It's a 2018 code, but that's alright, still get points for it, so I'll have to enter that. And I'm going to unbox this one because it's going to be really noisy if I do it on camera, and I'll be back to show you what's inside. So the first mystery candle is an XOXO candle. I'm pretty sure I did this review before. It's supposed to come with a little chalk pen because it's like a blackboard type finish, but it didn't. And neither did the one that I ordered. It wasn't a not so perfect. It was just a discounted one, so that's alright. Let's move on to the gift set. I think this is the one that's the three little hats, and they're bath bombs. Oh, and they're actually packaged really cute. It says Happy Holidays, and it's just a all blue box. That's cute. And then inside, 3 bath bombs. They feel small. How small are these? 6 ounces. This one's called Alaska. And I will do individual ring reveals for all these products. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's like a teal. This one's called Vermont. And the third one is purple, and it's called Colorado. Those are super cute. So those will be coming up soon on my channel. Let's try this last mystery candle box. No extra code in that one, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. And the final one was a cucumber and sage candle, and this, they must have a lot of these because various orders I'll tag on a not so perfect bath bomb or candle just so I could get the free shipping, and I got 2 of these already. So this is my third one. Probably just do them all at once, maybe, just see what I get. But as an added bonus, for those of you who watched my last rare video, I told you I had my original cell phone from like, oh god, I guess it was in the 90s. But this thing's huge. And I mean, the original ones were like way bigger than this, like Saved by the Bell style. But isn't that funny? I kept it. And I actually have the charger for it, but I just pulled it out to charge it, and it was like all frayed. I guess it, you know, it's old, so I don't think it'll charge, but that's all you're working with for a screen. It's so crazy to see that nowadays. But yeah, just thought I would show that. It's funny. It's got a big old battery on it. Look at that. Hilarious. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.